Hey guys, today 18th July, July and presenting you the board chart. Let's analyze where we are. The chart is how I label starting from prior low 2293. So this one is wave 1, 2, 3, 4, and this is fifth. You see the price movement and the personality of waves. Let's see how much Fibonacci of third wave. It's exactly 223 percentage, and it's very shallow correction, 23.6. You can see here this is the highest volume in this rally, so definitely it is the part of third wave. And fourth is very shallow correction. And now we analyze this wave. You can see this is the wave one, so 1 hour time frame. 1, 2, part of 3, and A, B, C, fourth, and fifth is unfolding. So let's see, check here. The second wave was deep up to the 61.8 percentage. It's very textbook correction. Mostly second wave 50 to 61.8 percentage will conducted, and this is the extended third wave. Let's see, check them. Yeah, it's between 26 to 261.8 to 323.0, and you can see here this is A, B, and C. Let's see 10-minute time frame. Yeah, you can see here the B wave has crossed the starting point of the A wave. So it's a inverted flat correction. C 0, A, B, and C. And C wave always have a 5 waves. You can't I can't able to see, but in lower time frame, like 1 minute, when we check, yes, it's a 5 wave correction. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And fifth wave is around 50 to 61.8 percentage. So here our fourth wave is completed. So any buy entry, you can take the buy entry with SL of this fourth wave low. So it's around 25, 24.15. So with SL of 2450, you can buy. And what is our target? Let's see the 0 to 3 and extended Fibonacci extensions. First target is 2485, second 2496, and third one is 2507. So this is our target. 2506, and on higher time frame you can see here 203, 2473, and 100% is around 2522. Higher time frame, if the fifth wave extend, then we may see a 2522 or 2472. I can see here we can get near around 2500. So any dip is the opportunity to buy for the target of 250607, and SL is 2450. So can give you like this. 2.68 is the risk reward. If you want to small SL, then one more SL is around 2457. This is the my wave counting for gold, and you can you don't sell in any this area to the 25 sector till you can see any five wave down like this. One, two, three, four, five. Only this kind of pattern, whenever you see five waves, then only initiate the sell trade. Till then, we don't sell at any levels, because it's very dangerous to sell when the trend is up, and we don't know this is third wave or this one, or where is the third wave, and we don't know. We just forecast here and making a roadmap of this wave. So we just looking for the buying opportunity. Where is the low risk entry? So I can see low risk entry is around this area, and if you see any correction around price, see around 2457, 59, then with the SL of 2450. So this is how I trade, and you can get good risk reward for a target of 25. This is the gold analysis. Let's see any other pair like Bitcoin. Yeah. Mm, Bitcoin is also in uptrend on the prior low 5300, 53,470. So I can see here this is also wave 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, and 4 is going on. Let's see the daily chart. This is our resistance one, 1700, and any correction level. So we have seen 63,855. If price comes around 38.2%, 62,400. So this is the good this remaining with the SL of 61,300. So $1,000 SL. If price comes around this level, then you can buy for the target of 6870 thousand. This is our this is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Gold and Bitcoin both are in of trending waves. Can see one channel also. No. If price break this channel, then we may see this levels 2,400. And fifth wave target near 69K, 69K. These two, three. So this is the money making trend. You can get good risk reward near the 62, 400, 500. And if the price goes directly up, then we may see 69K directly. Then we have to wait for breakout of recent high 66,100, and you can see then again take a support at this area. Then you should initiate the buy and release. So this zone is just wait and watch. So this both there is in uptrend. Don't try to sell this area or any of this area till we find any 5 wave moves down. So this is how I uh, counting the waves. Again, I am telling you, execution is more important. First, you need to understand the personality of the waves. Then your second stage is execution. If you have a good execution skill, you can win more than 1 is to 2, 1 is to 3, 1 is to 10 risk reward. That will make you money. So hope you guys enjoy my videos, and you can subscribe my channel and also live market update in Telegram channel, which is mentioned in details below details. So thank you.